When you live in Knoxville, you know how much the changing seasons can impact your home's comfort. Hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights often make heating and cooling systems work overtime. One of the most effective ways to improve indoor comfort and lower utility bills is by upgrading to energy-efficient doors. Whether you're renovating your home or looking for ways to cut long-term costs, choosing modern, insulated doors can make a significant difference. Better comfort all year long energy-efficient doors are specially designed to keep indoor temperatures stable. High-quality insulation, tighter seals, and advanced materials reduce drafts and temperature fluctuations. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without your HVAC system struggling to keep up. For Knoxville homeowners, where weather swings are common, this upgrade can instantly improve comfort in every room. Lower monthly energy bills because energy-efficient doors prevent hot and cold air from escaping. Your heating and cooling system doesn't have to run as often. This reduces energy consumption, saving you money month after month. Many Knoxville families notice a drop in their utility bills right away after installation. Over time, these savings can easily offset the cost of the door itself, making this upgrade a smart financial decision. Increased home value. Today's homebuyers are looking for modern, sustainable features that help reduce energy use. Installing energy-efficient doors instantly boosts your home's curb appeal and market value. Whether you plan to sell in a year or 10 years, this upgrade signals to buyers that your home is well maintained and built for long-term efficiency. Stylish designs, durable materials, and improved security features also make your home stand out in Knoxville's competitive housing market. Enhanced noise reduction. Knoxville is full of lively neighborhoods, but sometimes you want quiet inside your home. Because energy-efficient doors use thick insulation and advanced construction, they naturally block outside noise. Whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity, these doors help create a peaceful indoor environment as soon as they're installed. Improved home security. Many energy-efficient doors are built with stronger frames, reinforced cores, and upgraded locking systems. This gives your home an added layer of protection from forced entry. Families in Knoxville who want both comfort and security often choose energy-efficient doors because they provide both benefits in one upgrade. Protection from weather and moisture. Knoxville's climate can be tough on older doors. Excess humidity, heavy rain, and seasonal storms can cause warping or deterioration over time. Energy-efficient doors are made from durable materials like fiberglass, insulated steel, or advanced composite blends that resist moisture and temperature changes. These materials reduce maintenance needs and extend the lifespan of your door, giving you long-term peace of mind. A more eco-friendly home. Every homeowner plays a role in reducing environmental impact, and upgrading to energy-efficient doors is an easy, practical step. By lowering your energy usage, you contribute to reduced emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Many Knoxville homeowners appreciate that this upgrade not only benefits their home but also supports a more sustainable community. Stylish designs. For modern Knoxville homes, energy-efficient doesn't mean plain. Today's replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, perfect for traditional, modern, or farmhouse-style homes throughout Knoxville. You can choose from decorative glass, custom hardware, bold colors, and textures that elevate your home's curb appeal while still delivering top-tier energy savings. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest home improvements Knoxville homeowners can make. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to better security and long-term durability, this simple upgrade brings benefits that you'll feel every day. If you're ready to make your home more efficient, stylish, and comfortable, investing in a high-quality energy-efficient door is a decision you'll never regret.